10 wonderful benefits of a positive attitude. Number 1. Positive attitude brings inner peace and a sense of fulfillment. Number 2. Positive attitude improves self-esteem and confidence. Number 3. Optimism boosts your immune system and provides you better health. Number 4. Positive attitude will lead you to get involved in creative thinking. Number 5. Positive type of attitude will create a very good and positive atmosphere around you. Number 6. You will start creating more meaningful friendships and great relationships. Number 7. Positive attitude helps you live longer and happier. Number 8. Positive thoughts keep us energized and make things work. Number 9. Law of attraction says like attracts like. Similarly, positive mind attracts positive events. Number 10. Positive thinking and optimistic attitude will turn all your problems into opportunities. See you in the next video.